1,000 to 100k account, guys. No, I don't do that, because we all know those videos at the end of the day, they have been edited, and they are not good also, because they make you believe that until you take a $1,000 account to $100, 100,000, if you don't do that, it means you are not a good trader. But meanwhile, most people are good traders out there. They can actually make good money out of how much account they have. It depends on how you manage your account. So guys, this is how I'm gonna do it. This is how I do trade with my $1,000 account. This is how much I make per month. As people usually ask me, how much do you make per month? How much do you? It doesn't work. This is a market that runs. It doesn't have limits, guys. It's not like at a certain point it will be like, okay, this is month end, we have to close the market or whatsoever. No, it goes 24/7. It depends on how you trade. It depends if you are a swing trader, you are a day trader, or you wanna uh, be a scalper. So me, I'm a day trader. In my 1,001:30 leverage, that is how I trade, guys. So okay, with the 1:30 leverage, guys, what I do is the 1,000 will give me like 28 positions. Then if I get a good, because I do wait, guys, I'm not in a hurry. I can wait one full month without having a trade on one pair. I don't care until I get the real entry or the real trade. I don't enter. So I know that with the 28, if I'm going in for 28 with 28 positions, I know with the 1:30, 100 pips in profits gonna give me $10. So whenever always patient, if you following me, you will know when I do enter. So if I see such entries, I enter with my 28 positions straight up, guys. Sometimes I'll first send 50. I observe how the market is going before I send the rest. Sometimes I just enter all the 28 positions when I see a good entry. Then I wait, guys. Then I wait, so that even if I am making 50 pips, 100 pips out of it, 30 pips, it's gonna make sense to me. Yeah, it's gonna make sense to me. So this is exactly how I do trade, guys. With my $1,000 account, let's consider I have 28 positions now. Let's see. So I'm patient. Today is Tuesday, 24th January 2017. Okay, this is actually not the date, guys. Actually today, the date of today, as you can see here, is uh, July 7th 2023, but I'm backtesting, so that's why I mentioned this date. Let's say it's actually 24th January 2017. So let's see within a month or so how much I've made out of the $1,000. Realistic, guys. I'm not editing anything. You're gonna see it. You're gonna see how I do my math. I don't want to call it math. I'm gonna call it arithmetic. I make sure I apply arithmetic in all my trades, so that I guide myself, so that I don't get fooled by emotions. And hey, the trade is going on well. Let me add positions. Let me do this one. I have to know, guys, how much I'm gonna lose, how much I'm gonna make. Yeah. So most often I don't calculate much about how much I'm gonna lose. That's why I wait. So this was 24th. You see, one full week I haven't got a trade. 25th, 24th until 31st. No trade on Geo. So this time I'll be checking other pairs. If there are no entries, I prefer to wait and sit on my hands, guys. That is the best thing to do. My $1,000 is still there. I've not touched it. I will only touch it when I'm sure. Okay, this was an entry. This was actually a good position, guys. Yeah, that was a good position, but the reason I didn't enter was because if I'm gonna enter here and then I'll be getting like say 60 pips, and I'll be risking way too much. So I don't want to do that. Yeah. Wow. See. Okay. So now, guys, this is a position now. This is now the type of positions, the type of entry confirmation that I want. Yeah. This is where I go in. If you've been following me, you will understand why I prefer this. I prefer to enter here, why I didn't buy here, prefer to sell here, and why am I even selling here? You will understand why. So because these are my entry confirmations. This was a sell signal. Actually, the sell signal started here, and I know already with market structure, whenever the market comes down, it goes up. Then you can see, guys, if you look at it, comes down, goes up, it will come right down and maybe break down here. So this already is a neckline, guys. This already is a neckline. Something's gonna happen. Yeah, this is experience, not me being wise or being intelligent, guys. It's just experience that market forms this structure. It might form come down like this, hit here, and goes back up and continue with an uptrend. Yeah, or it might just come down and continue right down. So this setup, guys, as I said, is from experience. It's not from any analysis or whatsoever. I know usually this is how the market is going to behave. So at this point in time, if the market breaks below here, it's going to hit here. The reason why I believe it's going to break below here is because it gave me this candlestick, this sell confirmation. This is the reason why I believe it's going to break below. And also because it already broke here. It already broke here, went up, didn't break this resistance, it formed a lower high. Now gave me a sell. Guys, what else do you want from the market? What else? What else? It simply said, I'm not going up. I'll leave this one right up there. So it came here, it tried to go up, it did not. What did it do? It said, I'm selling. So you can't sell now. And this it's gonna hit here. Why? Because this is the lowest point and it gave us a lower high here, meaning, guys, it's going right down. So at this point, what do? We take our short position, 1.2517, 1.2507. Yep, exactly. So this is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it. A lot of confluences coming together to give you. When I do like this, you now understand what I was trying to say. Now is that uh, structure I was talking about. So when it reaches here, we get out. We don't know what it's gonna do. Calculate our pips. Don't wanna go buying stuff, hoping that money will come out of the trade that we entered. Okay, it's triggered, guys. Okay, so this is 1 month already. The trade is still there, like 1 month already. And trust me guys, not everyone will want to wait, because if you have a running trade, let's say we entered all the 28th position, it means we cannot trade anything else except we get out, except we close this one. So us being very sure, that is what swing trading is all about, guys. Patience. So within this time, let me tell you something, guys. Within this period, some scalpers have blown more than $2,000 or 3,000. Like let's say 3 accounts. Some scalpers have already blown like 3 accounts. And let me tell you, the amount of people that have blown their accounts within this time are far, far, far more than those who actually made money within this time. And even if they made money, it's not actually going to be the same as what we're going to make if market hits our position here, our TP here. So um, it's about patience, guys. It's about patience. See, as I said, it's about patience, guys. So this is actually a buy. This, as you can see, it's a buy signal. So the market is kind of saying, hey, I'm about to reverse. So we can decide to get out here with either we can close some positions here, or we decide to hold all our positions. But I would prefer we close, say, 70% of our positions and allow 30 to run. So closing 70 here, okay, 1.2293. We entered at 1.25, let's say 1.25, and let's say this is 1.23. That's 200 pips already. Yeah, 200 pips. Okay, so plus 5, yeah, 7, that is 7. 200 pips plus 7, that is 207 pips, plus 7 again here, 214 pips. So if we are closing 70 position, I mean 70 percent of our positions right there, 70% will be, let's say 21, yes, 28 divided by 4. Let's say 28 divided by 4 will be 7. Okay, so 70% will be 70, will be 21. Yeah, so that's 75% of our positions. Yeah, we close 75% of our position. That will be 21. So let's say 21 position, I mean 21, yeah, 21 lot sizes, giving us 214. That is 24, yeah, that is 24 pips, guys. That is $24, sorry, that is $24 per one position. So $24 per one position times 21 positions will be 21 times 24, obviously. 21 times 24. So that gives us, oops, sorry, that gives us $504, guys. That is $504 if we close 70% of our positions here and allow 30% to run, and we are in $500. So let's see what happens next before we kind of say, hey, if we did close all our positions here, or we say, okay, it was a good thing we didn't close all our positions here. It happens all the time, guys. It happens all the time, and all the time we have to be realistic. So as you can see, guys, it actually doing, yep, but it came back, actually came back here. But at this point we had two dodges, and then this one, then price actually came back here. This is actually another buy signal. If you know my trading, you will know that this is a buy. This is a buy signal for me. This was a buy, sorry, this is a buy confirmation. I call this a buy signal. So after a buy signal, what the next thing you wait is a buy confirmation. So guys, we are doing this thing because we are just pushing, but trust me, if the money is there, you either want to go out there or you want to come out at this level. Yeah, you want to come out at this level. So let's say we were so stupid. Yep, let's say we were so stupid and we're like, okay, we just have to hold. But when it reaches at this point now, you want to get out, because the best thing to do is bringing down your, I didn't want to bring because we are still calculating some stuff here, bring it out down your stop loss from right up here, then putting it here where we had our first buy signal. So let's say we got out there, so it will be the same like we got out with all our positions there. So we are still gonna come back to what we're saying, which was 28 positions, 28 positions times $24 per position, which gives us $672, guys. So $672, that is, I mean, that is of February, 24th of January 2017. We saw our entry on the 2nd of February. So it took us about 8 days before we saw an entry. We saw that entry, we stuck onto it because we knew it was gonna come right down here, but it just lacked some few pips. Then it decided to go back. It might still want to come down here, but guys, there is no need to be risking, to be going through all of those risk, because another scenario is, okay, let's first do the math here, guys, before we calculate this scenario, because this is the best place to get out when you start seeing dodges. When you see a buy signal, then you see a doji, guys, you get out always. This is not because I've seen this already. No, if you've followed my, if you've been watching my videos, you will know I always say, hey, you get the fuck out when you see dodges, when you see buy signal. It's not a buy confirmation, but this is actually a buy confirmation, which is still below the moving average. It might still hit here, come back down and hit this area, but for the meantime, guys, you get the fuck out here. So let's say we were so dumb, we didn't see that, and then we got out, we made 555 or $53. That's the least out of this trade. It took us how long? That's the thing. March, guys. Until 14th March. So from 24th of January 2017 to Tuesday 14th March 2017, we made $553 from a $1,000 account. Everyone will agree with me, it's not bad. If you want to be that, how much do you make a month? How much do you make a month? Okay, here we're going to say from, it's almost 3 months. It almost 3 months, guys. Yeah, it's 10 days lacking to make it 3 months. So you just be like, okay, the 600 or 500 or how much was it? It's approximately $200 a month from a $1,000 account. This is the honest, the most honest truth you will get out there, guys. And I'm telling you and showing you how. Many people will be asking, trust me, even some people will start watching this video and cut it. Not everyone will reach at this point. And if you actually reach at this point, bro, you're gonna make it in forex. Whosoever reach at this point, you're gonna make it in forex, because this is exactly what forex is all about. People want to trade bitcoin, crypto, because they don't have that patience. They cannot do the hard work, because this is hard, this is difficult. Even explaining to you guys, it's not easy. Yeah, though we are just talking arithmetic now, but the thing is, putting everything together, that's what makes it difficult. And I will say, if you reach here, make sure you continue to follow me up, so that you get more and more insight of my trading, of how I do my setups and my trading psychology. So just like and subscribe. This is the most valuable video you must have found on forex so far. You might not know now, but if you follow this strategy, then you'll confirm it's true. So guys, thank you. This is an average of say $200 per month. Actually more than, let's say, like 210 or 215. If we actually got out here, if we got out here, guys, it will be almost like $700 we would have made out of that trade with the $1,000 account. So that is my way of trading. $200, you calculate it in your local currency, or if you are in the US, then you know exactly what $200 is. From a side hustle per month, it can pay you some bills, it can do a lot of stuff for you, or actually getting it one at one time, or like the $600 it comes in at one point at one time. Guys, it might help you a lot. Then you'll be like, if this is a trustworthy setup, you can make you can actually put in, like, say, $5,000. Imagine it was a $5,000 account. How much was it gonna be? It have been this 500 times 5. That's 2,500. So that is how we look at it, guys. That is how we look at it. So guys, thank you, and make sure you like and subscribe. See you again sooner or later. Thank you.